my fall pumpkin pasta with vodka cream sauce. Any orange squash works for this. What we're gonna do is divide our orange squash into 2 groups. We're gonna chop it all up into like-size pieces, so it all has the same cooking time. And we're gonna take half the squash and season it with a little cooking spray, olive oil cooking spray, non-aerosol, of course, salt and pepper, and nutmeg. And we're gonna roast this, and we're gonna use pieces of whole squash up on top. And we're gonna take the rest of it and put the rest of the orange squash, about an equal amount, so I've got like a pound, pound and a half here on the sheet pan, and I have an equal amount in this pot with 2 cups of vegetable or chicken stock, and that's cooking away to get very, very tender with a bay leaf and a cinnamon stick. Oh, I forgot the nutmeg. I always use nutmeg on squash, anything dark green, and anything with cream. A little freshly grated nutmeg. And then we're gonna put this in a nice hot oven, 425, 450, nice high oven, and let it get sugary, sweet, and charred at the edges. And this will give us texture to our pasta. See you later, buddy. So, now we're going to take the pasta that we've cooked with the bay leaf and the cinnamon and stock and pop that into a high-power blender or your food processor. I think it gets smoother in the blender, though. And zap that into a puree. Oh, it smells so good already. There we go. Lovely. So now we have pumpkin puree, and then we're gonna add the puree to the base of our sauce. Our sauce starts with a little butter and olive oil, EVOO, couple turns of the pan, couple tabs of butter, and then into our butter olive oil mixture, we're going to add 2 fat shallots, finely chopped, and lots of sage. Sage and pumpkin is so delicious together, right? I added a couple cloves of garlic to the sage, and I'm gonna add the zest of a lemon, a little bit of citrus action. Orange would be delicious in this too, or a combo of the 2. Now we're to the fun part. Vodka? Yes! Now we're gonna drop our pasta. This is a heavy sauce, right? It's cream and pumpkin puree and those big pieces of pumpkin that we're mixing in. So we want to pick a pasta that's sturdy, right? So I have a nice rigatoni here. We salt the water liberally because it's the only chance you get to flavor the pasta itself. Then we drop in our rigatoni, and anytime we cook dried pasta, we always undercook from package directions by at least 1 minute. I'm gonna add some heavy cream to our vodka sauce and our pumpkin puree and let this all simmer together. When we come back, I'm gonna show you how to marry the pasta with the sauce with ricotta cheese and parm. Mix all of your pasta with all of your sauce. You want every bite to taste good, right? Our starchy cooking water, you take this just before you drain the pasta. We add some fresh ricotta cheese, our pumpkin puree. Oh, with the vodka and the cream. What? I know, and we're not even done. So we have to stir, stir, stir to get that fresh ricotta cheese to melt all over. I know, it's crazy. It's just crazy. Then we add our Parmigiano Reggiano. I know. It's crazy. Now we're gonna add, ooh, that's still hot. Don't try that at home. Okay, then we mix in some of our big chunks of pumpkin. Oh, right? Ridiculous! A little splash of lemon, a little acidity in there. Oh, and then we put the velvety, beautiful, oh my God. And then we take the rest of our squash and scatter that all over the top. And a little bit of chives. Woo!